This is the manufacturing line of the forged aluminum wheels. Hot forging is a process to form metal lines with volume distribution corresponding to a design shape on the billet of aluminum alloy. The forging of wheels starts with this kind of hot forging. RM forging, a method developed exclusively by Ray's, is a process to spin a uniform structure with fine metal flows, formed by hot forging. The finishing of designed parts is accomplished at the same time. An RM forged rim is thinly formed by cold spinning. A high-speed spinning machine can form rims of varied widths. This is solution heat treatment. Aluminum alloy is rapidly heated and melted with ultra-high-speed heating type thermal treatment equipment. Then the alloy is cooled down immediately and fixed to form a strong structure. Then age hardening improves the elongations and toughness of the aluminum. The aluminum alloy is carefully forged at low temperatures for long periods of time. A hardness testing machine determines whether these heat treatments have satisfied the specific standards. An NC cutting device with an accuracy of 1/100th of a millimeter is used in the machining process to improve the accuracy of the roundness. Then flashes are carefully removed after the bolt pattern machining process. During an alignment test after processing, the wheel's roundness is carefully checked with an indicator balancer. In addition, invisible scratches are checked with a computer in an eddy current testing to avoid cracks in materials. The JWL Plus R standards are fulfilled through exacting tests during the manufacturing phase. After processing, the surface strength of edges is increased and shot blasting is performed to smooth surfaces. During finishing surface treatments, chromate films are first applied on the surface to protect the aluminum from corrosion. Fine coating materials with a diameter of 100 microns are blow coated to improve smoothness. Then the wheels are spray coated. Wheels are colored in line with their designs or clear coated to protect their surfaces. Wheels may be alumite treated to improve their metallic luster. Cast aluminum wheels are also manufactured by Ray's Integrated Processes. Casting is a method to melt and pour aluminum alloy ingot into dies. This method is generally used to manufacture products with complicated shapes. LP and GD casting are used by Ray's, depending on the product's design. A molten metal process takes place in a holding furnace. Materials without impurities are supplied into a die to cast. The RF cooling system, with its higher coagulation speed, can produce products of a fine crystal grain size that have few pinholes and greater strength. Rays has developed the RCF method to flow form rims using original forming technologies. Rays manufactures the one-piece cast aluminum wheels with a metal structure equivalent to forging. We supply a wide range of cast products with distinct designs, such as two-piece aluminum wheels having light and strong rims. Rays manufactures products that comply with strict standards by adopting an optimum method and by monitoring accuracy during every phase of production. Only the products that make it through the final check and receive the JWL+R logo, an assurance of reliability, are put on the market as Rays wheels.